Hi, I'm Bob Simone with Better Living Real Estate, and today I'm at the Residences downtown in Franklin, Massachusetts, where the new construction project of 12 luxury condominiums and 2 retail spaces is underway. It's a beautiful sunny day. We have construction in the background, and behind this fencing, the site is now cleared. We expect delivery in June 2019. We'll have some models available in the early spring. And if you have interest in this condominium development, you can take a look at our website at theresidencesdowntown.com. Theresidencesdowntown.com will give you plans, specifications, and other details about this new construction, modern luxury condominium project here in Franklin, Massachusetts. I'm Bob Simone with Better Living Real Estate. Thanks for watching.